20, 21. Right down there. This is all old stuff. This is all late 1800s. Wow. Yeah, definitely snake buckle like. I do have another signal here as well, so we're going to have a look at that one right now. Okay, it's fairly deep down here. See that? It is definitely... Oh, look, there's something on there. Oh! It is the snake buckle! Wow! It is the snake buckle! Oh, look at that! You wouldn't think that had been in the sand for over 100 years. So let's just put them together now for the very first time in over 100 years. There you go. The snake buckle. Complete. That is awesome.